In the heart of Japanese-style tiny home on wheels, every inch matters, and every cabinet tells a story of thoughtful design. Here, where the line between the storage and sanctuary is finally drawn, cabinetry becomes more than storage. It becomes part of the architecture of peace. And the journey begins with vertical thinking, a signature of Japanese spatial awareness. Floor space is scarce, so cabinets rise toward the ceiling, their forms clean and uninterrupted. Slimline overhead cabinet in softwood tones float above eye level, blending into the wall like silent companions. Their doors slide rather than swing, inspired by shoji screen, preserving precious airspace and maintaining the home's gentle flow. Beneath the tatami platform, drawers pull out seamlessly, offering generous hidden compartments for bedding, seasonal clothing, or kitchen overflow. There are not makeshift bins, but purpose-built cavities wrapped in wood grain to blend into the overall design. No handles, just out. Recessed pulls or push to open mechanism maintain a smooth surface uninterrupted by clutter. In the kitchen, the cabinetry works like a quiet assistant. Below the counter, deep drawers replace cupboard, bringing the plates and cookware within easy reach, eliminating the need to crouch and dig. And each drawer is divided with sliding bamboo inserts to keep utensil, condiments, and tools perfectly in place, no rattling, no mess. In induction cooktop tucks neatly into the countertop, and when not in use, a wood cover transforms the surface into a prep area. Above the kitchen, overhead cabinets stretch wall to wall yet feel weightless. Their light birch or white oak finish echoing the tones of a Kyoto tea room. Inside, every shelf is adjustable, adapting to the life of its owner. Slim under cabinet rails hold ladles, mugs, and spaces suspended, always within arm's reach but never crowding the counter. Storage continues into the bathroom. Here, a tall, narrow cabinet nests beside the compact off-road tub. Its vertical drawers holding rolled towels, bamboo, bath brush, and small jars of essential oil. Even the mirror conceals a cabinet behind. Sleek and shallow, perfect for daily use without consuming depth. In the main of living space, Low's cabinet runs along one wall like a built-in bench. Cushioned on top, it becomes sitting by day, a reading nook in the afternoon, and a fold-down desk emerge from the wall above when needed. Inside, the bench hides blankets, books, even a tea set, all folded and stacked with care. Nothing feels overfilled. Nothing spills into view. This is the art of the Japanese concept of negative space, of room to breathe. The cabinets too full of life's necessity, giving nothing away, and there are quite deliberate essential. In a world that moves quickly, the Japanese style tiny home whispers stillness, and in that stillness, smart cabinetry plays a vital role, storing not just belongings but also the soul of a simpler life.